Hey, what's up? You know, I have already tested many massage guns on our channel, Tech Brothers. They look different, but all of them are designed for one thing – pain relief. In this video, I want to tell you about the new massage gun called Keata M6. It has 10 interchangeable massage heads, while its competitors comes with 6 massage heads. In addition, it has 3000 RPM, 12mm depth amplitude, 3000 mAh battery with 6 hours of battery life. By the way, Keata M6 looks like a compact massage gun, but it has a long handle. It is another feature of this product, because it is quite lightweight, but it is comfortable to hold with 2 hands. Okay, let's do unboxing, and then we will talk about design, touchscreen, and massage heads of the new massage gun. Keata M6 massage gun comes in a quite cheap cardboard box. There are main features of the product on the front of the box and massage heads on the side face. However, inside the box we have a high-quality carrying case. It has Keata logo and comfortable handle. The case is very useful thing because it allows you conveniently store and carry the massage gun. You can take a massage gun with you to the gym and use it after a hard workout. Inside the case there is a user manual, power adapter, massage gun itself, and massage heads in the pouch. We will talk about each massage head later in this video. As I already said, Keata M6 is a compact massage gun, but it has a long handle. It is very convenient to hold the handle with 2 hands. The dimensions of the product are 230 by 195 by 55 mm. The weight is 705 grams. The body of massage gun is gray, so it looks like a metal, but actually it is a plastic. There is the charging port and power switch at the bottom of the handle. Another feature of Keata M6 massage gun is LED touchscreen. It has only one button to change the speed level. And there are 6 speed levels available from 1500 RPM to 3000 RPM. We can also see a battery level of massage gun on the screen. The numbers goes down by 80, 60, 40 and 20. On the front of massage gun are massage heads. Let's talk about them. Keata M6 comes with 10 massage heads. You know, it is more than other massage guns usually have. There is a ball head, air cushion head, bullet head, flat head, big arc head, U-shape head, wedge head, D-shape head, thumb head, and small arc head. I have used most of the massage heads before, but these two are new for me. It is a big omission that the user manual doesn't say how to use the massage heads. However, you can find this information on the Amazon product page. For example, big arc head is designed for the leg muscles. You can use a wedge head for the large muscles around leg, chest and back. The round head is designed for the back, chest and chips. The bullet head can be used for the joints, deep tissue and trigger joints muscles. You can use the pause the video now and read about each massage head. The battery of Keata M6 massage gun has a capacity of 3000 mAh. The battery life on a single charge is 6 hours, but this is at the lowest speed level. I think you can use a massage gun for about 4 hours at the highest speed level. You know, the massage guns are similar to each other. They have about 3000 RPM speed, 12mm depth amplitude, and a 3000 mAh battery with 6 hours of battery life. However, one of the main features of Keata M6 is design. The massage gun is light enough, and it has a long, comfortable handle. There are also 10 massage heads in the package, while other massage guns have 6 massage heads. The last feature of Keata M6 is affordable price. You can buy it for only $43. I think it is a great massage gun, especially for this price. I will leave the link to Amazon in description under the video. Thank you for watching. Hit the like button and subscribe to our channel Tech Brothers.